Good morning, students. I wish you and your family members are safe and good and stay at home. And I also hope that you all did previous work properly. So students, in this week we are going to start our new topic, that is subtraction. So students, while doing subtraction, we have to keep these points in mind. So what are these? First one is, this sign shows the subtraction and this sign is called as minus sign. Subtraction. So student, what is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away. Taking away means you are given a numbers and from that number you have to take some numbers. Okay students. So students, from where we take a number, हम कौन से number में से number लेंगे? Yes, we always subtract a number from a largest number. Means you are given a two numbers, you always take a number from a largest number. Okay students, so let's move on to the next to clear you more. So here is the students, just simple subtraction, and these types of sums are given in your book on page number 10. So students, I said earlier that we subtract from a largest number. So the rule is that more on the top, no need to stop. Means students, अगर top पे greatest number है फ्लोर के नंबर से, देन हमें सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, more on the top, no need to stop. So here is just a simple subtraction as you did in our first class. Okay students, so let's do it. It's 10 minus 5. Yes, how much it is? 5. 10 minus 7. What's the answer? Yes, do it with the ma'am. Ma'am के साथ करिए. Yes, it's 3. 11 minus 5. Yes, it's 6. 11 minus 6. It's 5. 11 minus 7. Yes, it's 4. Now next one is 12 minus 4. Yes, it's 8. Okay, got it? So the basic rule of the subtraction, or we can say just a simple rule of the subtraction, is if more on the top, no need to stop. Means अगर आपके पास 2 digits है और 1 digit greatest होनी चाहिए और अदर डिजिट स्मॉलेस्ट है, तो आप उस ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट में से वो स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट का नंबर ले लोगे. मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लोगे, माइनस कर लोगे, एंड जितना नंबर्स रह जाएंगे दैट विल बी योर आंसर, लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. So here students, subtraction of tens is just a simple subtraction. No need to worry, just look at the examples, and this exercise is also given in your book on page number 10. Okay students, so here 3 tens minus 1 10. Okay students, so 3 minus 1 is 2 tens. Student, as I told you earlier in a addition chapter, tens means 1 0. Okay, so how to write? 20. Yes, 3 tens minus 1 10. How many 10 will left? Yes, 1 10. So the answer, final answer is 1 10 means 1 and 1 0, because in a 10 only single 0 is there. 5 tens minus 3 is tens. Just do simple subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2 tens. Yes, so the answer is 20. Yes. 6 tens minus 4 tens. How many tens will left? Yes, 2 tens, and the final answer is 20. Okay students, Here simple, 20 minus 10 means 2 tens minus 1 10. Yes, the answer is 110, or we can say 10. 310 minus 110. How to read it? It's 310 because only single 0 is there, and in 10 is single 0 is there. So how to read it? 310 minus 110 is 210, and the final answer is 210. So answer is 20. Okay students, got it? Next one is 510 minus 310. What's the answer? Yes, it's 2 tens. And how to write 2 tens? 2 0. Here 610 minus 410. What's the answer? Yes, it's 20. Okay students. Now move to the next. Students, it's very important to you while doing a subtraction. जो हमने इससे पहले करा is just a simple subtraction, or to revise your chapter related to subtraction as you did in a first class. Now to learn more about subtraction, let's proceed now. Okay, so first of all, first main rule regarding the subtraction is that you have to mark the place or position of the digit, like ones and tens. Okay students, now let's mark it. So students, take this example. First of all, mark the position. So how to mark? Here it is ones and here it is tens. Okay, mark the position. First point is done. Then if more on the top, no need to stop, means we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Here 55 is more than the, or we can say bigger than the 5. So it's follow the simple rule of subtraction. Okay students? Okay, now second rule is done. Next one, main rule of this next one rule is ones position number will always subtract from the ones position number of the another number, same as with the tens position number. Means students कि ये जो वंस पोजीशन नंबर पे है, मीन्स ये 55 का 5 भी वन पोजीशन पे है, और फ्लोर वाला जो नीचे वाला 5 है वो भी वंस पोजीशन पे है. तो मीन्स वंस पोजीशन का नंबर वंस पोजीशन में से ही लेस होएगा. आप ऐसे नहीं माइनस कर सकते. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू माइनस लाइक दिस. ओके, आपको ऐसे माइनस करना है, आपको ऐसे माइनस नहीं करना. क्लियर? मीन्स जो वंस पोजीशन पे नंबर्स होंगे दोनों डिजिट्स में, उन दोनों को आपस में से माइनस करेंगे, और जो टेंस पोजीशन पे नंबर्स होंगे दोनों डिजिट में, उनको आपस से माइनस करेंगे. ओके, मैम वांट्स टू से दिस. आई होप यू आर ऑल क्लियर नाउ. नाउ लेट्स डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो 5 minus 5 is 0. Yes, and 5 minus nothing. यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, इधर कुछ नहीं है, तो here it's 5. So the answer is 5050. Okay, now do the next one. First of all, mark the position ones, tens, and 65 is bigger than the 43. So simple subtraction. 5 minus 3. Let's do it. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 4 is, it is also 2. The answer is 22. Now do the next one. Mark the position ones, tens. Now 7. Look the numbers. 79 is larger or bigger than the 18. So we have to minus 18 from the 79. Oh, okay. Now do the minus. 9 minus 8 is 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay students? Now move to the next one. Now here students, rule will be the same. वही main 3 rules है. First of all, mark the position ones, tens. Here ones, and no tens. So second rule is from bigger number we subtract the smaller number. Bigger numbers में से ही smaller number जाएगा. तो here 29 is greater than the 6. And the third one rule is subtract the according to position, means ones position minus from the ones position and tens position. So here ones is 9 and 6 is at ones at 9 in this, and here ones is at 6. So minus 9 minus 6 is, yes, it's 3, and 2 here and nothing is there, so 2 will be here. So the answer is 23. Okay, second one, mark the position, ones, tens, here ones, 10. Okay student, one more thing important to you is that always mark the position from this side. Okay, आपको इस साइड से मार्क करनी है पोजीशन, और आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन भी अपने राइट हैंड साइड से, इस साइड से ही स्टार्ट करना है. क्लियर? नाउ डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 12. Now do the second one. Mark the position. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Minus ones from ones. Yes. 5 minus 5 is 0. And minus tens position. 7 minus 2 is, yes, it's 5. So the answer is 50. Got it? So student, 3 rules are the main thing you have to remember. First of all, mark the position. Second one is always subtract from the largest number, and the third rule is always subtract ones from ones position number and tens from tens position number. Okay students, got it? Now move to the next. Let's do some story sums. Okay students, here first one is Vani made 30 paper boats and 10 boats sank. How many were left? Okay, here story sums means students, means आपको समथिंग, कोई इंटरेस्टिंग बात कही गई होगी, आपको समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ वर्ड्स कहे गए होंगे, आपको उसमें से नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो हेयर वानी मेड हाउ मेनी बोट्स? 30. राइट डाउन 30. एंड 10 बोट्स सैंक मीन्स माइनस उसमें से 10 बोट्स सैंक होगी, मतलब डूब गई. सो हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट? वानी के पास कितनी लेफ्ट रह गई बोट्स? यस. सो basic rule is mark the position, ones, tens. Now start subtraction from one side. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 20 boats. Clear students? Now move to the next. Hari's coloring book has 64 pages. He has colored the drawings on 32 pages. How many pages are left? स्टूडेंट्स, एक स्टूडेंट है हरी, हुज नेम इज़ हरी, उसके पास एक बुक है, उस बुक में टोटल पेजेस नंबर कितने हैं? 64. ओके, एंड ही कलर्ड आउट ऑफ दी 64 पेजेस, उसने कितने कलर कर लिया पेजेस पे? 32 पेजेस पे कलर कर लिया. ओके, तो अब बताइए कितने पेजेस उसके पास लेफ्ट रह गए? यस, आउट ऑफ 64 वी माइनस दी 32. स्टूडेंट, वन मेन थिंग मोर इज वी हैव टू राइट बिगर नंबर एट दी टॉप. हमें टॉप पे लिखना होता है बिगर नंबर. ओके, आपको बिगर नंबर किस कहाँ पर लिखना है? टॉप पे लिखना है. मैम जस्ट रब इट फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस. नाउ पुट द पोजीशन वंस, टेंस. नाउ डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम वन साइड. वंस पोजीशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करना स्टार्ट करें. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 32 pages are left to colored. Okay, now next one is